Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Bailey. Welcome. Please make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified whenever I post a new video. Now that that's out of the way, today we're going to be trying magnetic lashes, and I'm excited to try these because I have tried the ones where it's not with an eyeliner. Today is going to be with an eyeliner. I don't know how else to explain that. It's the ones that like clasp onto your lashes. I do have a video for that. I will link that down below if you're interested in that video. I remember I found those kind of hard in order to get close to your lash line. It was kind of difficult, so that's why I'm excited to try the version with the eyeliner. I have never tried this before. Assuming it's fairly straightforward and simple. I haven't put eyeliner on in a minute, but I feel like I'm gonna be able to do this. We do have two styles, and I am using the lashes from Kiss. So we have this one. These ones to me look a little on the cheaper side, to be honest. They look a little plasticky, and when I'm putting a lash on, I don't like love that. These ones on the other hand, oh, the name is right there. These ones are called Tempt. The name is right there. Wow, sometimes I just, you know what I'm saying? These ones are called Crowd Pleaser, and these ones look a little bit more plush, 3D, just like more gorgeous than these guys. But you know what? To each their own. This one's just a little bit more of like a natural lash. She will find her home. Someone will love her. That person is just not me. Maybe if I was on a desperate day, but I prefer this look. It just looks more expensive, and I want to look expensive if I'm putting lashes on. So we are going to be popping these on. It says it's like pretty straightforward. I don't know if this is an additional bottle. Let's just open this up. Like, is there lash glue in here? It says it's literally 2 easy steps. I have to line my eye with the Kiss magnetic eyeliner, and then I apply the lash onto the liner once the liner is dry. I think the crucial step is allowing the formula to dry on your lid. Okay, so it's just the lashes, so you do have to purchase the corresponding lash glue, which essentially has like almost the exact same directions on the back. Line and apply. So it's really as simple as that, and that's what we are going to do. The glue does say that it has biotin. It's biotin infused and dermatologist tested, which, like, I could be a dermatologist. I'm not a dermatologist. I could be a dermatologist. I actually love the Kiss regular lash glue. It's like one of my absolute, oh, it does tell you to shake it because there is a little ball in there to shake it up. Yeah, I usually use the Kiss brush on lash glue. I love the clear and the black. I put these gems on with the duo just because that's what I have here, but typically I use the Kiss one, which I love. Okay, and it also says that these last up to 16 hours. They're wind resistant, and it's no smudge. Those are some hefty promises they're making here. Now, yeah, I haven't done my eyeliner in a very long time, so please bear with me. It might be a little crazy. I'm not sure if I should do like a wing or I should just like line my eye. Like, I really have no idea what I should be doing. The photos do have a wing though, and I kind of did my makeup to like feature a wing, so maybe that's what we'll do. You know what, we're just gonna start off slow, and then we're gonna build up, because who knows how this eyeliner is gonna go. Before I do that, I did put mascara on my bottom lashes. I curled my top lashes like 20 times in the hopes that it'll somehow hold the curl, so you guys will be able to get a nice idea of how these lashes actually look. And I'm just gonna pop like the tiniest amount of mascara on my upper lashes. Whenever I'm applying lashes on, I don't like to really build up my lashes, but rather just black them out with mascara. So I'll just do like a little blacking out, nothing too crazy, because I don't want to see my thick lashes underneath the lash. It's like one of my biggest pet peeves. This formula is like pretty thin. For some reason I thought it was going to be like a little bit thicker, but I also love when like a lash glue has like aged a bit. Oh, and it's like nice and sticky and tacky and old. Oh, I love that. Okay, let's do this. I need a mirror. I'm blind in my old age. So as always, my eyeliner kind of escalated quickly, and we did this like enormous giant wing. I will say, when you get the liner in your lashes, it like is really thick. and like is kind of like clumpy and gross. So obviously the normal like routine of anybody is to do liner and then mascara. So, you know, just maybe keep that in mind, since that detail just slipped right past me there. All right, so let's put these lashes on now. And it says that I'm just literally supposed to pop them right on top of here, which I hope I can get them close to the lash line, because that's like really interesting. On these lashes, you can see periodically there are 5 different actual magnets, and there's a little magnet that's holding it onto. That's kind of fun that it just snaps back in. Oh, that's so satisfying. That's really fun. This is the moment of truth. How easy is this gonna be, or how hard? Interesting. It's like a little sticky moment, almost. Like it feels like, oh, that is so weird. Oh, what the heck? Oh, it's definitely, oh. I think I need more on that inner corner. Oh, I don't want to then, because you have to have a thick liner. Oh, I hate a thick liner. Okay. Okay. Let's try this once more. I mean, it really is sticking. It's like such a light magnetism. Magnet. Oh, I don't like that in the inner corner. Okay, that's not terrible. But I also, oh, nope, see? Nope. And you can't really trim these, because if you trim them, then you cut off a magnet, so then your end's just gonna be flapping in the wind. So they're not really like, yeah. Okay, that's not terrible. Let's hope that this, it's still sticking up though. It's literally not attached. Okay, there's also a cat hair. Let's just first remove the cat fur. Maybe if we move it down. This is what I thought. Okay, we're gonna let that one sit there. I'm gonna pop on the other one. I'm having issues on my inner tear ducts because the line is so thin. Like, to me, it's not thin, but like apparently it is, because it's not sticking, honey. Oh, no. What happened? Oh my god, she's flying off. Why won't it stick? Oh my god. Oh my god. Like, it just is like flapping in the wind over here. There's so much eyeliner and it's just like literally flapping in the wind. Why won't this stick? Why is this so hard for me? I think because I'm such a perfectionist that the fact that it's not like, I mean, like, okay, it looks good in the viewfinder. Oh, but it's like literally not even on my lash line. There's like a giant gap. Okay. It needs to be like on my lash line. Okay, and then this situation. Okay, there we go. Okay, we did it. There is no way that these are windproof. Like, Kiss, I love you. I love your lashes, but are these windproof? Like, let's just do this. No, like, look. If I did that with a real pair, okay, no, this, you know what? I'm gonna put on another layer of glue. How about that? Let's put on some more glue right at my lash line. How can I have this much difficulty with something that is supposed to be such like a problem solver for the masses? This literally cannot be. I just like, I don't get it, because like, isn't this more work than just putting lash glue on your lash? Oh my god, this glue is like clumped in my lashes. Oh my god. Oh. Ew. Okay. Okay, we're trying this one more time. And if it doesn't work, I'm giving up. Okay, magnetized. Magnetized. Okay. Oh my god. It's so annoying. Oh, that one's a little bit stronger. I can feel it. That was actually kind of nice. I definitely tried to give it a fair chance, and I think it just needs like a hefty amount of glue. So I don't even know if I would use this glue as the eyeliner. I think I would just do my normal eyeliner and then put that on. No, but then look at this. It's literally lifting, you guys. Oh my god, why is this so hard? Is it because I have such a thin line there? Like, I don't think that's such a thin line though. Like, isn't that like normal for people who do a wing because it's thinner in there? Just go on and work, please. Like, please. This is such a solution. Every time I'm doing someone's makeup, 9 times out of 10 they ask me about magnetic lashes, and I'm just like, I have nothing to say. And I think this is why. Like, this is so fit. Oh my god. It's like straight. Like, I freaking hate that. I hate when a lash is straight there. It needs to bend with the eye, please. Like, can you imagine like being on a date and just your lash is like literally like this, like just like this, just popping off? I give up. They're on. I mean, I don't give up because I did it. They're definitely on. I definitely don't love it. I don't think I will be using these just because it's definitely not for me. If you're not a detail-oriented person, I think this is great for you, but for me, I find that it's just so much easier when you have a strip lash, throw a little glue on, wait 2 seconds, and then pop it on your eye. I feel like that's much easier than this like finicky thing, and like it literally just comes off so easily. Like, it's crazy to me. I don't know, I must be doing something wrong. Anyway, that's it for today's video, guys. These lashes are on, but as soon as I'm finished filming, they're literally coming off. Because I don't know, maybe I'm doing it wrong. I need to give them a second chance. Kiss, I love you. I love most of your products, but these I just don't know. I think because I'm just so used to a false lash and like I'm so quick at it and I've done it like thousands of times that this is just, I don't know. I don't think it's as easy and as simple as it's cracked up to be. I don't know if it's worth the hype, to be honest. But anyway, there's the lash. The lash is pretty, don't get me wrong. Crowd pleaser, the lash is definitely pretty. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one, hopefully with a real strip lash. Bye guys.